Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in sentiment at plus 0.422 and momentum at plus 0.244, suggesting a shift in investing attitudes that's worth your attention. This is the first notable uptick in sentiment since the last quarter, breaking through the historical baseline. Our API returns a rich dataset, including sentiment scores, momentum insights, and semantic clusters that help you understand the prevailing narratives. Imagine leveraging this data to fine-tune your algorithm for detecting emerging trends. By integrating sentiment analysis right into your trading strategies, you can respond faster to shifts in investor psychology. Stay ahead of the curve. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and see how you can seamlessly incorporate this powerful sentiment data into your projects.